Welcome to ISIS 105. This is the week 15 project, the last project you guys will do for ISIS 105. This video is going to be for the Word part of the integration project. So what you're going to do is download the template and the instructions. Now I already have the instructions up, but you're going to need them to complete this as well. So I'm going to open up the integration Word template. And here it is. It's opened up for me right here. So the first step is download it. Second step is going to be select also Control A for everything, paragraph, and change the line spacing from double to single and hit OK. Next, what you're going to want to do is add a header. So you can go to Insert, Header over here, and in the right corner, you can find a right one. Ion light seems about right because it's over there on the right. It's actually not what I wanted to do. So instead, we'll just remove this header. Go to Header, Remove Header. And the best thing is it just removes everything. And over here, now you see you're in the right-hand corner. And you can type in your landscaping company. So just like that. And what I'm going to do is change this to heading 1. So I'm going to go back to the home page, heading 1. But I'm going to right align it just like that. And then I'm going to go back to my design tab right here. I'm going to hit go to footer. Now you're in the footer section. Click the footer spot up here and go blank 3 columns. So in the leftmost section, you're going to type your company's name. The center section, you're just going to delete. And the rightmost section, you're going to type your name. Just like that, and then you can hit the close header and footer section right here. Now you're up at the top. You want to go to heading 1, style right here, and again type your company's name. Just like that, and hit enter. Now it's gone back to the normal right here, the normal style, I should say. We're then going to bold it. And then you're going to type your name and put your address block underneath it. So I'm going to do that right now. And just like that. But if you notice, this is double spaced. So again, we want to select these, go to paragraph, and make this single spaced. Just like that. Underneath your address, what you want to do is input your phone number. That way, the person you are sending it to understands how to get a hold of you in case you can't. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our mailings tab. Since this is going to be a letter you're sending out, you go to select recipients and use an existing list. When you use your existing list, what you're going to do is go to your desktop, go to your integration project right here, and it's going to open up this tab right here, and what you want is the data table mail merge. And you're going to click OK. Now you can press enter twice, and what you're going to do is insert merge fields for who you're sending it to. So their first name, space, insert merge field, last name, and press enter. Now what you're going to do is insert the same address block with merge fields as you did for yourself. So I'm going to pause the video and let you do that while I do it. Here I have inserted mine, so first name, last name, street, city, state, zip. And after that you want to press enter twice and insert a greeting line right here. Now you want it to say is dear and then their first name and last name. So this is just the example, but what's going to happen, show up is that, and it'll say greeting line. After that, you're going to type your message. So enter twice, and you can begin typing your letter. Now your letter must include at least 3 merge fields. So this is whenever you're typing, you could put something as on this date, we performed this job for a total amount of this, and here's the description of what we did. Now I'm going to pause this video and let you guys type out your message with 3 merge fields minimum and I will do the same. Now that you are done writing your message out, in the last period right here, you want to hit enter 2 times and type sincerely, comma, press enter twice again, and you want to change the font now to what the instructions say, which is monotype. This one right here that kind of looks cursive-y, but isn't really. So then you're going to type in your first name and your last name and press enter twice. Change the font back to Times New Roman and type your name. Now once you are done here, notice how everything's in bold. All we want in bold is your name and address block. So we're just going to come here and select everything up to that point and deselect it so it's no longer bold. Now we come back here after your name. You can go to Insert and you're going to go Page Break. So this brings up a whole brand new page. Now on this one you're going to create a table that includes the invoice for their receipt. This one must include the merge fields for the date, rate per hour, description, total charge, job code, and the total amount owed. So in doing so, you can just go table. It's going to be 2 rows and however many columns wide you need it to be. So for that, it'd be date is 1, rate is 2, description is 3, 4 is total hours, 5 is job code, and 6 is the total amount owed. So a 6 by 2 table. And what I'm going to type in here in the first one, I'm going to put job code, description, total hours, rate, the total charge, and the date of the service is the last one. So in the job code right here, underneath it, you can go to mailings and insert your merge field. So then you can just go job code, merge field for description, merge field for total hours, total time, the rate, insert merge field, rate, total charge, insert your merge field of total charged, and on the date you're going to insert the merge field for date. Now that this is done, you can click out and make sure you're in the middle of the page somewhere, just click out of it, and what you're going to do is go back to your home page and go to the intense style. So it should be intense right here, intense emphasis. And that you want to just enter down, center, and make sure you're somewhat in the center of the page. And you actually want to do this one right here, which is an intense quote. And you want to type, thank you for your business with your company's name. So I'm going to type mine right here. Just like that. Now you want to make sure everything's alright. So in your mailings you can hit preview results, and that's all it's going to do is start previewing everything that is in here. So it automatically brings up their first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, their name, has everything completed that we need, and then in your table everything fills out. So you should have 10 customers, so you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basically making sure everything in here is correct and has everything done. After that, you can hit finish and merge and hit edit individual documents, merge records to all. And what this is going to do is open up a whole new thing that says letters 1. That's going to have all 10 of your customers in here. So this is what we want, and you can go File, Save As, go to your desktop or your flash drive or wherever you're saving it to that you can get to it in order to submit it. So on this one, you're going to go to your desktop, or at least I am. I suggest a flash drive for you guys. And this, you would put integration project, Word, and then your first name and your last name. Just like that. Now to submit all of these, you'll go up to Blackboard, your integration project, and what you are then going to do is this preview upload assignment, browse my computer, and you're going to insert all 3 in this block. So you're going to have your integration project Excel, browse my computer, integration project Word. So where's my integration project Word and integration project PowerPoint? Now all three of these are what you're going to submit. And this one, then you can hit submit, and you are done with the projects for ISIS 105. Thank you all for a wonderful semester.